guys, welcome back to another video. So I can be we're playing Mono County Police Patrol. So I'm supposed to like do stuff. Yeah. So I'm gonna be a SWAT dude. Yeah, SWAT, I guess. $5 in my hands. That's all I got. Okay. So I was meant to play with my friend, but he's not on. Spawn car. I don't know, Ford Taurus. I'm gonna get in this. If I can spawn it. I can get in it. How do you get in it? How do you get into a car? Oh, okay. No, I'm in the driver. Alright, I'm in the driver. I can't drive. Am I pressing the wrong things? Oh, do I have to like click to go? I don't think I have to click a certain button to go. I can't go forward. Dude, what is happening? I swear. What is happening? I swear I'm looking at every single button. That's the Windows button. Alt. What is... Maybe this car is broken. That was weird. Okay. Back in the car. No! There. Oh, it looks like we're not driving. Yeah, looks like we're not driving. Oh, the parking tickets. There's a parking lot, I guess. I'm not supposed to like patrol. Make sure. No, because it's... I don't want to be a civilian. I want to be a SWAT. Well, I guess I'm a civilian. I'm a civilian. Ouch. I want to be a SWAT. Let me be a SWAT. Any of these besides a civilian? I can't be any of these people besides a civilian, so I'm gonna be a civilian. I only have $26. I need more dollar bills, man. Oh, let me get into this car. Like, really, let me get into this. Why can't I get into the car? Okay, come on. Let's go. Alright, we're not doing that. Why can't I, like... Okay. Never mind. I'm just gonna get in this car then. How do you fudging drive? Can somebody tell me? Every single... What just happened? I just found the game files. I just found a hack. Wait, hold on. Give me a second here. I'll be right back. It's a real hack. In infinite yield possible. A for child exploit event. Hold on here. Is this safe? What is happening here? Is this safe? Hold on. Yeah? Okay. Oh, my parents are making dinner and they're putting pineapple juice on some like pork. So, yeah. I got to have some pineapple juice. Dude, I just found I can make everybody's. I can mess with everybody's game. But I'm not going to do that. Because I'm not that kind of person who does it. That's ridiculous. So, let's continue on with the game. That's weird. Can I be something? Yeah, I'm a dot. What's a dot? I'm gonna look up what a dot is. Oh, I'm like a fireman or something. Oh, it's like authority services. Okay. It's like just a regular kind of policeman. Ooh, I got I got some cool things. Flashlight, fire pump, or whatever. Gas can. Why do I need all these things? Well, I ain't complaining, but just saying, you know, why do I need these things? Yes, I want to close all tabs. Thank you. I'm going to spawn a Ford thingy. A Ford thingy. Now, I get to go in here and get in the truck. Get in the. Hey! It's not allowed. I don't know how to drive these trucks. That's my question. How do you drive these trucks? How do you drive in general? Alright. Dude, how do you drive? Is my keyboard connected? It worked? That thingy? Why? Okay. Looks like we're not driving this evening. Hey, 45 miles per hour, everybody. 45 miles per hour. You also can't shift or anything. This is gonna be fun. Alright, let's go. Hello, sir. Sir, stop. See, how do you do that? Can you, like, up the gear? Oh, I want to up the gear. Do I have to, like, use? What do I have to do to drive? Hey! I'm making sure everybody's doing the thing. Fire pump. Whoa. This. Hey. This is. Sir, you're not. Sir, you're supposed to stay in Area 51. Dude, you're supposed to stay in Area 51. Get back to Area 51, right, dude? Dude, you shouldn't be out here. Go. Nobody can find out that there's aliens in Area 51. Guys, nobody can find out. Get out. You always stink. Excuse me, sir. You do notice that I'm the can hurt you. I don't have a gun, so I can't get anybody. Hey, sir. Whoa! Hey, yeah, we're gonna have to get out that slope. Is that safe driving? I mean, I'm only 9, but I don't think flipping over and then flying back is safe driving. Stop. Go slow. Go slow. Sir, this is not what you do in a... Well, hey, this is room, this is RT51. Dude, I'm a police officer. I'm a person. I'm a dot. Maybe one of these dudes. Another one. Okay, I forgot. PSP maybe. It's not. Can I drive this? How do you drive? Somebody tell me how you drive. I really want to know how to drive. Mine. I'm a taxi. I'm a taxi dude. I'm a taxi dude. I'm a taxi dude. I'm the taxi dude. What? Root from Cheddar Gang? Oh, that makes sense. I'm in, but how do I drive? What? This is... Alright, I'm in the back. Here we go. Sir, are you gonna go? This is a waste of time. This is a waste of my time. Hey, let me in that. What? Why am I dying? This is nonsense. Let me get in this truck. There. Okay, I'm gonna press every button. And if this doesn't drive, then I don't know what to tell you. I can tell you now. You know what? I'll show you. Here. I'm pressing every button possible, and it won't drive. I'm typing nonsense stuff, but like, it won't drive. I'm telling you, man, it won't drive. Okay. Clearly, it doesn't want to drive. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, then hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you like my content. I'm assuming you do because you watched this video, and if you liked it, then hit that like button. Just saying, you know, I can't force you to do it, but just you know, just a tip. Also, another tip is just to subscribe. It's just a tip, you know, and another tip is to hit the notification bell. Just a tip, you know. But really, I'm around now. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Okay, Roblox needs to be quick. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button.